Ta-da! Yeah. Look what came in the mail today. Say no to cancer. Okay. Okay, I will try and take this out with one hand. Oh wow. So let's get this box out. Oh, BOFA. Nothing but BOFA. So we definitely needed this. This is some solid gear, man. Oh wait. It's all metal. Awesome stuff. Okay. And this is for my JBC. Got some new tips and some brass wool. Okay, so that's that. And here is the machine that we have been waiting for. Oh no, there's another box within the box. So more hoses, more hardware. This is great. So I was looking at some of the fume extractor units, and they come with what do you say, like additional hoses you gotta buy, but this one's got 2 sets of hoses ready to go already, which is awesome. And here is the machine. Wow, it's got a controller. Well, this is awesome. Awesome. So I found with these fume extractors, there's no really alternative. There's no cheap version. There is no cheap alternative. There's a fan, but the problem with fans on the desk, it adds a lot of bulk, and when you do this for a living, man, it's really hazardous. I've been getting headaches, been going to doctors because I have a wheezing problem, and so it looks like this is the problem. So we will hopefully solve this problem. Okay. Sorry, I got one hand phone. I don't have a stand. I'm not very professional. Oh, and bang. So that's the unit. So this is a very nice unit. Interesting. Wow, insulation. Very nice. So these are, I think this is the pre-filter, and then there's the main filter inside. So that's does it go one way, or yeah, so that's that. I wish I set up a tripod so I don't have to hold this phone. Wow. So that's the fan. Oh wow. So this is all rubber. Efficiency. Date 4th of the 6th. Nice. And it came with a nice dent on the side. That is really ugly. So let me put this airflow. Does it go a certain way? I don't think so. So it just goes the one way. And that's the front of the machine. And that is the cap. So one sealed, which is really good. yeah, so I love the control, and look how long the cable is. Wow. That's what 3.5 meters or something, 3 meters, 4 meters. So this is going to be set up with this workstation. This is my micro soldering workstation. We've got data recovery and laptop repair, and then we have my colleague's workbench there as well. So this is going to be all set up. So I'm just going to stop this video, and hopefully I will share once I set this thing up